I am enough. I am worth living this life. I control my thoughts and the direction that I choose. I am the creator of my world. I love my body profoundly, deeply, and joyously. My body has its own wisdom, and I fully trust it. My looks are just a projection of what I think about myself. I become more beautiful and more shiny each and every day. I love the person I see in the mirror. I choose to see the divine perfection in every cell of my body. As I love me more, I allow others to love me. I am love and I am compassion. Deficiencies transform through love and acceptance. Right here, right now, I choose to honor my beauty, my strength, and my unique way of being. I love the way I feel when I take care of me. Today, my own well-being is my main priority. I completely trust my inner voice. The more I get to know myself, the clearer it becomes what my life's purpose is. Today, I follow my heart and I discover my destiny. I have my special place in this world. My life's goal is to share with others the best parts of me. Today I offer the world the gift of love, passion, joy, and my talent. Right here, right now, I start moving towards my life's purpose. I am worthy of love and respect. I deserve good people around me. What my life purpose is only decided by me. All is good right here, right now. Peace and tranquility start with a conscious choice. Today I embrace simplicity, peace, and relaxation. A peaceful heart makes a peaceful life. I trust that the universe sends me the best there is in every circumstance. By becoming peace, I create peace in every experience. I fill my whole being with the light of love, peace, and happiness. Peace starts when I give up controlling every detail. I am calm. I breathe in balance, and I breathe out imbalance. Where peace lives, there's no room for fear. Today, my mission is to be a better person for myself and for others. I am love. I am ready for a real and filled with love relationship. All my connections are significant and they fill me up. As I share love with others, the universe gives back love. I appreciate every person I meet as worthy of my love. I trust the universe that it knows what person I need in my life. Today I free myself from fear and I open my heart to welcome real love. I am grateful for the people I have in my life right now. I am the perfect partner for my perfect partner. I am worthy of a real relationship filled with love and respect. I deserve to be loved, and I allow myself to be loved. I am strong and healthy. My energy and vitality increase each and every single day. I am open to the free and natural flow of well-being. My inner voice guides towards the right ways of healing. Abundant health and well-being are my birthrights. Thank you for the vigor, health, and vitality. I feel better and more powerful right now. I love taking care of myself. Today, the food I give my body is my highest priority. I am grateful for the opportunity of balancing my mind, my body, and my soul. I am awakened to receive the highest wisdom. My inner voice guides in every moment of my life. My thinking is clear, organized, and focused. I am always aware of the right actions meant to help me reach my goals. When I know where I want to go, going there is a certainty. Today I am fully in sync with my inner wisdom. Harmony is always a sign of inner balance. Thank you for showing me the way to my dream. I trust my intuition and my feelings. I am detached and always open to the divine guidance. I am filled with light, love, and peace. I always treat myself with compassion and respect. I am not perfect. I am just myself. I love myself. Today I allow myself to shine. I honor the best parts of me, and I share them with others. I am proud of myself. I did good until now. I will be better. Today I allow myself to be stronger than my fears. I love myself, no matter what happens. I am grateful for the traits, qualities, and talents that make me unique. Thank you. I am the creator of my own experiences. I am loved and supported by the universe. I am a powerful spiritual being. I am able to attract everything I need. I am a spiritual being that has a physical experience. I am at peace with the world surrounding me, and the world is at peace with me. I choose to be happy, and I deserve to be happy. Today I create harmony, peace, and joy for myself. I am happy and calm right in this moment. I have everything I need in order to be happy. I give up old beliefs and I install new, healthier ones. I am a positive and important person on this earth. I am confident. I happily build a happy relationship. I strongly believe that I am attracting my soulmate. Others are attracted to me because of my positive energy. I give up all negative thoughts and feelings about me. I am proud of what I've become. I unconditionally love and accept myself. I am unique and special. I am worthy of others' respect. I welcome all the good things life offers me. Life loves me and I love life. My life is wonderful. Everything is well now and always. To live fully and free is my birthright. I give life what I want it to give me. I am happy to be alive. Life supports me. Life created me to become full. I trust life, and life supports me in every situation. My future is bright. I now live in love, light, and unlimited happiness.